The Machine Tool Technology program, it's a program where we can learn about all the different processes that you can go through working with a machine to produce a part. And I like one person's explanation is that if the world were to end, you can remake everything on a lathe in a mill.
This is a fun career. It's very fulfilling. You get to use a lot of creativity with it. Once you learn the basics of how the machine tools work, you take your own creative ideas and try to turn that into the final product by, again, you look at that blueprint and a piece of raw material, and you have to use your own mind to be able to turn that raw material into that finished part. So it's very fulfilling when you have that done and you can hold that part in your hand.
Most of my time in person is spent in the lab, just making different projects, talking to the teacher. At this point, there's not a lot of people in this class, so it's a lot more personal. I get to kind of choose which projects I want to do and kind of go about them in my own way. I don't have to follow instructions to a T. I can choose to do things my own way. And there's a lot more flexibility the longer you go into the program.
Well, easily it benefits the employers because you have educated workers coming in. Nothing is foreign to them. Even if the equipment's a little different, still the procedures are basically the same. You're not going to have to teach shop safety. We're pretty much ingrained in us by the time we get through the first class. And as far as students, it's nice to be able to go into a work environment and have a clue of what you're supposed to be doing and what it's supposed to look like once you've gotten there.
For me personally, I was able to use equipment, be introduced to equipment that my employer has with not a lot of skilled employees on it. So I think it's going to help me be able to be more of an asset to my employer.
I would recommend this program for anyone who's looking at machining as a career. This program actually helps you quite a lot, teaching you most of the basics, so like that you could get a job started, at least as an internship in any machining program.
I think MJC and Machine Tool Technology has a great program just because we offer courses for student availability. We have courses in the mornings, we have courses in the afternoon, we have courses in the evening. So for the most part, the evening is a big selling point. We have a lot of working professionals that are working all day long and then they come in here in the evening and they want to enhance their skills to build themselves up in the workplace. So they come in here and they take classes in the evening to enhance their skills, to learn the knowledge, to kind of work their way up the pay scale at their current positions or a position they're striving to achieve.